Morning children. Shall we begin today's lessons? Yes? What are we going to do? We are going to do addition. Now children, you have already done addition using balls, isn't it? Today we are going to do addition without using balls. We are going to do addition mentally, okay, using our fingers. Okay children? Now a quick revision of what addition means. Addition means taking two or more numbers and adding them together, that is, it is the total sum of two or more numbers. Now addition here means children simple. It is sum, it is total, it is together, it is in all. These are all the words that we use for addition. Matlab bringing them together, adding them. One group and one more group, you add them and they increase, they become more. Okay, that is addition. And you also know the symbol used for addition, that is a plus sign. Plus, it means addition. It means plus this number and this number together, plus. Okay. Now we will do a quick revision of addition using symbols, pictures or balls, whatever you call it. Okay. Now here you can see two birds, 1 and 2. Okay. Plus sign you can see, yes, and one bird. So what does it mean? 2 plus 1, isn't it? Two birds and one bird. Okay. Now we are going to add. So how we are going to count? You will start 1, 2, 3. So the answer is 3. Okay. One more example. Fish here. Now there are two sets of fish here, isn't it? In one set we have how many fish? 1, 2, 3 and 4. And then you can see a plus sign. And in another set we have 1, 2 and 3 fish. So first set 4 plus sign, and in the second set 3 fish. So 4 plus 3. Now we will start counting from 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So total 7 fish. Okay children, this was what we have already learnt. Now we are going to add mentally using fingers also. Here you can see we have only numbers. There are no pictures, no balls, no fish, no bird, nothing, isn't it? Just numbers. That is how we are going to learn to add. So what we do here first? We see the first two numbers here. You can see 1 and 3. Yes? So what you do? The first number is 1. 1 in my head. And second number 3. 3 in my hand. 1 in my head. 3 fingers up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Answer is 4. Now how did we do that? Let us see one more example. What is the sum given here? 2 plus 4. Now tell me children, which is the first number you can see here? 2. And the second number is 4. So, you will say 2 in my head, 4 fingers up. 2 in my head, 4 fingers up. Now start counting from 2. 2 in my head. So start counting after 2. 3, 4, 5 and 6. So the answer is 6. Okay. One more sum. What are the numbers? 2 plus 3. Okay. Now, what is the first number? 2. So, 2 in my head. Very good. And what is the second number? 3. So, 3 in my hand. That is fingers. 2 in my head. 3 fingers up. Okay. Done? 2 and 3. Now, start counting after 2. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So, the answer is 5. 2 plus 3, 5. Okay, children? Understood? Very good. Now, we are going to write in our maths notebook. That is your square line book. Open your books, please. Take a pencil and an eraser. Write today's date and the heading addition. Addition is add. Addition. Return. Now here you have to take help of your mama to write the sum. Okay. Mama is going to write 5 plus 2. 5 is, after the margin, leave a box, then write 5. Then write plus, and then below 5, 2. The numbers will be in one line. Okay. Now, Mama has written for you 5 plus 2. You are going to add. Okay. Now, what are you going to do first? See the first number. First number, be it big or small. The first number in your head. Okay. Second number in your hand. Okay. So, 5 in my head, 2 fingers up. Now start counting after 5. Okay, 5, 6, 7. Answer is 7. Now that answer you are going to write in the box. Okay. Now second sum. Again, Mama will write 8 plus 1 for you. Okay. And now you are going to add. Observe the numbers. Look at the numbers. What are the numbers? 8 plus 1. Now, which number in your head? The first number. And what is that? 8. So, 8 in my head. 1 finger up. Start counting after 8 because 8 in my head. So 8, 9. The answer is 9. Okay, easy. Let us quickly do one more sum. And I am very sure you all will be able to do before the teacher does. The number is 6 plus 2. Return. Now, start adding. Put both the numbers together. Add them. See the total. Now, who has got it first? Got the answer? Yes, Excellent, children. Now, which number in your head? The first number, 6. 6 in my head. 6 in my head. 2 fingers up. Start counting after 6. Yes, very good. 6, 7, 8. The answer is 8. Very good, children. I hope you all got the answer right. Now you can practice as many sums as possible. Single digit number. Okay? Understood, children? Yes? Very good. Give a clap for yourself. Right. Now, children, like here we can see addition table of 1. Now this, children, is not compulsory. You don't have to by heart or learn this. But if you are interested, there is no harm in learning new things, new methods. Okay? You have learnt table of 1, right? 1 ones are 1, 1 twos are 2, 1 threes are 3. You have already learnt this. Now that table is different and this table is different. This is addition table of 1. Okay? You can learn this. You can by heart this. Your addition will be very quick. Yes? If you are interested, you can learn it, children. Now here, 1, 1. You will say 1 plus 1, not 1 ones are 1. Okay? It is addition, table of addition, table of 1. So, 1 plus 1, 2. 1 plus 2, 3. 1 plus 3, 4. 1 plus 4, 5. So, like this, you can learn this table. Okay? You want to write the answers? You can write here. 1 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 1 plus 2, 3. 1 plus 3, 4. You can write this down? Yes? Okay. Next, we have addition table of 2 also. If you want, you can learn it. 2 plus 1, 3. 2 plus 2, 4. 2 plus 3, 5. 2 plus 4, 6. You can learn this table also. Now, children, if you get confused, then don't learn it. Okay? If you are comfortable, you can learn the table, addition table of 1, addition table of 2. Okay? Next, I have a small song for you, children. It is like a rhyme. You can learn this also if you wish to. Okay? Now, rhyme goes like this. 1 and 1 is 2. 2 and 2 is 4. 3 and 3 is 6. So, now let's try some more. 4 and 4 is 8. 5 and 5 is 10. 6 and 6 is 12. So, now let's start again. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 and 2 is 4. 3 and 3 is 6. So, now let's try some more. 4 and 4 is 8. 5 and 5 is 10. 6 and 6 is 12. So, now let's try again. Okay, very good. So, here you can see it is the doubles song. 1 plus 1. 2 plus 2. 3 plus 3. 4 plus 4. 5 plus 5. 6 plus 6. Yes, double numbers. So, if you want, you can learn this rhyme also. Okay, children? Now, I have a very small and interesting activity for you. Okay, would you like to see it? Okay, let us see what it is. Now, children, you can see here, I have made this chart. Color keys are here. Now what you have to do is add 1 plus 5. 1 plus 5 is 6. So you have to see here which color key is for 6. It is yellow. So you are going to color this yellow. Now here 2 plus 1 is 3. Now observe here 3 is green in color. So you will color this green. 4 plus 1, 5. So 5 orange here. You are going to color orange here. So you can do all these sums like this. So now you can see, children, it is ready. Isn't this interesting activity? I hope you all try to do this. Thank you. Bye and take care.